In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find condos for rent on Zillow desktop. We'll walk through the exact clicks and settings so you can quickly narrow your search to condo-style rentals with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zillow.com. Once the homepage loads, move to the large search bar at the top. Type the place you want to live. This can be a city, a specific neighborhood, or even a zip code if you want tighter results. Using a neighborhood or zip is great when you already know the area you want. A city name is better if you're still exploring. After you've typed your location, press Enter. Zillow will load a results page centered on that area. Now make sure you're actually looking at rentals, not homes for sale. Near the top, you'll see options such as Buy, For Rent, and Sold. Click For Rent. This is essential because Zillow can sometimes default to sale listings or remember a previous mode. Once you switch to For Rent, the page will refresh, so you're only seeing rental listings in the map and the sidebar. With the rental view active, it's time to tell Zillow you want condos. Look for the filter controls near the top of the page. Depending on your screen size, you'll either see a row of filter buttons or a single filters button that opens a panel. Open the Home Type section. Here, select the options that represent condos. Choose condo or co-op to capture most true condo listings. It's also smart to check apartment, because some condo rentals are labeled as apartments by owners or agents, and you don't want to miss those. If other property types like houses or townhomes are selected, deselect them so your results stay focused on condo-style homes. After you make your selections, apply or close the filter panel. The results will update automatically. You should now see only rental listings that match condo categories in your chosen area. This setup helps you avoid sifting through for sale homes or unrelated property types, saving time and making comparisons easier. That's the core workflow. Go to Zillow, search your location, switch to For Rent, then use the Home Type filter to select condo or co-op and, when helpful, apartment. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, condo-focused rental view ready for deeper exploration. Thanks for watching, and happy apartment hunting on Zillow.